Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I'm going to be doing my favorite fragrances. These are all my favorite fragrances. Obviously there are some that I don't have, but I'm just going to go over the ones that I used consistently for the past year. They're the best smelling, they smell amazing. Some of them I don't like anymore, but I am going to go over that. It's just one of them. But let's get started right now. To start off, I have this fragrance oil. It looks a mess because the oil got on the label, but it's just the Tom Ford Lost Cherry. It's a dupe. If you've ever smelled it, oh my god. If you ever smelled this, you'll know it smells like a floral cherry. Like it instantly hits you. Oh my god, this one is so amazing. It kind of melts in your mouth. It's a very seductive cherry. Like it doesn't smell like something you'll get at Bath and Body Works. It's so good. This is really good. This and the bitter peach from Tom Ford as well is amazing. I love the bitter peach on my skin. When I smelled it on the little fragrance tester strip, it did not smell good at all, the bitter peach. But when I smelled it on my skin, you start to smell the layers, and that smells amazing just with this one. Oh my god, I love both of these. Next up, I have something that I mostly wear in the winter. I did get it for Christmas, so that's probably why I associate it with the winter. But it's this Black Opium. This is such a basic fragrance. I like this one because it really gives me it just gives me seductive night out in LA, because every time I would go out at night, to a party or something, I would wear this. It is kind of basic. I think it's best to mix this with something else gourmand, because it is a coffee scent. Yeah. It just kind of smells like the mall to me, but I do like this one. I use it when I'm going out. It kind of also reminds me of the club, the strip club. Because this is, like I said, a really popular fragrance, and I've worn it there before. Up next, oh, okay, so much dust. Up next is obviously, this is a very popular fragrance. I got this for Christmas. It's the Carolina Herrera, Very Good Girl. This is a very transitional fragrance. It reminds me of the end of winter, beginning of spring. It's very floral and happy. I don't want to spray it, but you can definitely smell the rose and the floralness to this. It's very, very floral. So if you like floral, it's kind of sweet. It kind of has a vanilla undertone, but yeah, this one is good. I don't really like the original Carolina Herrera. I feel like it's very basic. So if you want something unique with very cute packaging, you should try this one. Next up is a layering fragrance that I use. This is the Hiiii Vanilla. Most people, I feel may have smelled this. It's a very pungent vanilla fragrance. When I first got this, I did not like it. One thing about these fragrances, I used to wear them consistently through an era, for a few months, and then I'll stop wearing them. But it just reminds me of that. This reminds me of Century City Mall in LA, because I would always wear this and go there. But it's such a, oh my god, I don't even know how to explain this. This is really, it's not that unique, but it smells like vanilla, but stronger. You smell a vanilla body butter. It's very sweet and light. This is very pungent and tangy. I don't even know, but this one is really good for layering. So I would usually layer these two, or I would layer them with one of the ones I'm going to show you now. So I have these samples. I've had these for a while, and I just been consistently buying samples because I want to try so many fragrances without wasting my money. So the first one I'm going to go over is Zerjov Casamarati Italica. This one, I bought, hold on. This one smells a lot like yellow cake. It's just like a plain, basic yellow cake. You know how like when you mix the ingredients and it's just in the bowl? This would just smell like yellow cake, not even baked yet. It is good though. Like, it's just a very like, this is like a lighter vanilla compared to this. Like, this looks dark, mysterious, but this one is like light and fun vanilla. That's the Casamarati Italica. Next, I have What About Pop? No, What About, wait, yeah, What About Pop? The House of Oud. This one is so strong, but it smells so good. It smells like popcorn. It just smells exactly like popcorn with a hint of like a floral scent. It smells really good. Like if you wore this, I feel like people would be like, why do I smell popcorn? Like that's how good it smells. So I also have another one, but it's in my purse. It's the Zerjov Lira. That one smells amazing. It smells like, it kind of smells like the Italica, but more like a cake, like a different type of cake. It's kind of have that vanilla-y scent. That one is one of my favorites. I always wear that one. And then next I have Killian. We all know Killian. Killian Angel Share. This one is, I think it's on a collection based off of liquor. When I smell this, I smell lime, like a very lime tequila type of smell, but with gourmand undertones. Like it doesn't smell too alcoholic. Obviously there's no alcohol in this, but it smells like that tequila lime scent with some vanilla, which is a good combo. Honestly, this is very light. This is something I would wear to like a lounge or something. I don't know, it's just very light. Very fresh too, which is weird. Anyways, now the last one I have is the Montel Intense Cafe. This one is a very chocolatey. Smelling this now though, it kind of smells like nothing. Let me just try it on. It's like a lighter version of the opium, but it's supposed to be like a chocolatey scent, but I don't really smell it right now. I don't really use that one, but yeah, it's on the list because I purchased it recently. Those are my favorite fragrances. Now I'm gonna go over my, you already saw it, but the one that I dislike the most, Ariana Grande. I cannot stand this smell now. This smells like, ugh, it really smells like, I'm tired of the Baccarat scent. I love it, but I smell it so frequently that it makes my head hurt. This smells like a kiddier version of it. But now it just reminds me so much of TikTok and everything during that era. And it smells like cotton candy, so it's super sweet. And I just can't picture myself wearing this anymore. I feel like it's such a childish scent. Like if I wore it out to the club, people would be like, why do I smell Bath and Body Works? Like that's how it feels. It feels like you're wearing Bath and Body Works and it's really strong and kiddie-ish and sugary. I just don't like it. Maybe you could layer it with something, but honestly, it's just a no. I don't even use it anymore, but yeah. Low-key would sell this, but that's my list of my fragrances that I own and the things that I like. Like I said, the only other one that I want to purchase is the Bitter Peach because it smells so good. But other than that, these are just the fragrances I use. I typically don't like to use a lot of fragrance. I more so like to get body mist because it is lighter. So I do love the vanilla from Bath and Body Works. But that's really only the Bath and Body Works fragrance that I use. For anything else, I like to use body butter. So I like the Laura Mercier Amber Vanilla or Creme Brulee body butter, or the Tree Hut Vanilla body butter. I feel like those are the top body butters that I like. I don't know, recently I've just been very sensitive with my nose, so I have not been wearing a lot of fragrances. A lot of these are extremely overdone, and I've had them for a while, so it's just like I'm over them. But yeah, the ones that I have the samples of are my new favorites because they're more new. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to hit 500 subscribers. Thank you so much, and bye.